Alright, the term phase change refers to a change in physical state. So this is just a slide to familiarize you with the vocabulary. So when there's a change in physical state, if a solid changes to a liquid, you call that melting or fusion. If there's a change from a liquid to a solid, you call that freezing. That's the opposite of melting. Okay, so solid to liquid is melting, liquid to solid is freezing. Vaporization is the conversion of liquid to a gas, okay, or evaporation, you can call it. Condensation is the opposite. When your gas changes into a liquid, that's called condensation. Now, your solid can change directly into a gas without turning into a liquid, and that's called sublimation. Okay, and deposition would be the opposite of sublimation. If you have a gas, it converts directly into a solid without first condensing into a liquid, then that phase change is referred to as deposition. Okay, so here are some examples of phase changes. What do you think? What terms would you use to describe these? A mothball disappearing. A mothball is something that you put in your closet to kill moths. It's a sphere, usually spherical in shape, and it just shrinks over time, and you can smell it. It's got these characteristics now. Huh? No. The reason you can smell it is it's turning into a gas. So this is a solid directly turning into a gas. That's sublimation. Ice turning into liquid water. That's solid to liquid. That is melting or fusion. Water droplets forming on the outside of a cold glass. So you have a cold glass of ice water. Over time, you'll see water droplets clinging to the outside. It gets moist. That's condensation. That's gas changing into a liquid. Water vapor in the air. So the water molecules in the air will get attracted to that cold surface, and they all get together there. They form a liquid. Ice shrinking in a frost-free freezer. That's sublimation. Anytime you see a solid shrink over time and you don't see it turning into a liquid, then that means it's turning into a gas directly. And that's what happened to D.W.'s ice in the TV series on PBS, Arthur. She put a snowball in the freezer and it disappeared. That would be my explanation for that mystery. Sweat disappearing from your skin. Vaporization, liquid going into gas. Cloud forming in front of you when you exhale on a very cold morning. That's what's that? What's a cloud? It's liquid droplets. Condensation. That's gas, water vapor from your breath turning into liquid. Right?